The dreaded question.
Can I borrow your phone for a second?
Your stomach sinks. No more secrets exposed. No more nervous scrolling. Your phone can now be instantly transformed into a safe, blank slate for any borrower. Meet the magic of the guest role. Your phone is ready. Go to Users and Accounts, Multiple Users. Add user and you can set up a new subuser for family or instantly switch to the ready-made guest role. The fastest switch is through the control center. One tap and your friend is now in the guest profile, limited to only necessary functions. In the guest profile, they cannot view your messages, install unknown apps, or see your private data. They can make calls and send messages if you authorize them. As the owner, you control the phone's basic utilities. Tap the settings next to guest to allow calls and messages. Your peace of mind is total. When you are done, switch back. The next time you activate guest mode, all the previous temporary data is automatically overwritten. Lend your phone, not your life. Multi-user mode, confidence in sharing. OPPO, share responsibly. Like, share and subscribe for more OPPO tips.